7 General Knowledge, Chapter Tribal Ways. The tribes around the world have fascinating culture traditions that set them apart from the others. The women of Padang tribe of Myanmar wear brass coils around their neck since the age of 5 years as a symbol of wealth and beauty. As they grow older, they add more coils, making their neck seem long. Young warriors of the semi-nomadic Maasai tribe of Kenya and Tanzania participate in a jumping dance. Dressed in bright red clothes, they form a circle and one by one they step into the circle and jump as high as possible to show how strong they are. Okay. Arabic-speaking Bedouins are nomadic tribe who live in the deserts of North Africa and West Asia. They are traditionally camel and goat herders by trade. The head of the tribe is called Sheikh. The Inuit are the indigenous people who live in the Arctic region of Alaska, Canada, and Greenland. Fishing and hunting are the traditional occupation. During the winter, they live in the snow houses called igloos and use dog sleds down the huskies for transportation. The Maoris of New Zealand are known for their vigorous ceremonial dance called the haka, which is performed to welcome distinguished guests. The Huli are one of the largest tribes of Papua New Guinea. The men paint their faces a brilliant yellow during the festivals and grow their hair into colorful decorative wigs. Where will you find these tribes? Take the correct answer. Ainu. It is from Japan. Cherokee from USA. Bushman from Kalahari Desert. Hmong from Vietnam. Zulu from South Africa. Aborigines, Australia. Sami, Norway. Berber from Morocco. You can see the different tribes, but their costumes and the fashion are the designs are their different costumes are shown below, shown in the figure. Next it comes to the United Nations. The United Nations is an international body that works for peace, security and betterment of humanity. It has 193 members at present. The UN was founded in 1945. The headquarters of UN is located in New York. The Secretary General in the head of UN is the head of the UN Secretariat. The UN has 6 major organs: the General Assembly, the Security Council, Secretariat, Economic and Social Council, International Court of Justice, Trusteeship Council. The Secretary General of UN is the Antonio Guterres of Portugal. Underline the wrong word in each of the names of the following UN agencies and correct it. The United Nations Charity Fund, UNICEF. Correct the word children, charity replaced by children's. United Nations Education Program. Education is the wrong word, the correct word is environment. Farm and Agricultural Organization. The word farm is wrong, it is food. International Maritime Fund. It is not maritime, it is monetary fund. World Housing Organization. Wrong, it is housing is wrong, it is health. 19 athletes all. Here is this some amazing athletes from animal kingdom. Humping spider jump several times when they catch their prey. They do not build webs. They live in trees, fences, and even in homes. Bullfrog jump long distances. They are big in size, and the sound they make resembles and the bellow of a bull. They live in pools and marshes. Grasshoppers can jump 20 times the length of their bodies. They live in fields and meadows where there are plenty of leaves to eat. The road runner is the fastest running flying bird. It races down roads and easily catches snakes, insects, lizards and rodents. The spring hawk is found in the grasslands of Africa. When it is alarmed, its hairs become erect and it reportedly jumps in the air. The hoverly hovers like a helicopter in the air around the flowers. It can fly forward, backward, sideways, upward and downwards. Indian discoveries. Many discoveries of ancient and medieval India changed the way of the world. Circle the correct option. The ancient mathematician called Pingala, the correct answer, is credited with the first use of binary numbers. The Baksali manuscript contains the world's oldest recorded use of the value 0, not pi, 0 symbol. Greece imported indigo dye, not olive oil, it is indigo dye, from India in ancient time. The people of Mohenjo-daro were the first to use buttons made out of dash or out of plastic or seashells. It is seashells. The weighing scale or paper, it is weighing scale. The weighing scale was first used by the Indus Valley civilization. Nawab Siraj-ud-Dowla or Tipu Sultan, it is Tipu Sultan who was the first to use military rockets encased in iron cylinders in his fight against the British East India Company. Brahmagupta or Aryabhatta, it is Brahmagupta, developed a formula to find the area of any quadrilateral whose corners touch in the side of a circle. Wood, steel, was a superior quality of steel manufactured in India, in northern or southern India. It is southern India. The longitude and the latitude decimal system was, it is the longitude and latitude or decimal system, answer is the decimal system, was devised by ancient Indians. Sushruta and or Charak, it is Sushruta, was the first to perform a surgical technique in which skin from the forehead is used to reconstruct the nose. Answer is, what is the correct answer? This one. You can verify this one. I have this Sushruta or Charak. Which one is the correct answer? Sushruta, I think. It is the correct answer. Okay. Next, it is famous Indians. Identify these well-known Indians with the help of the clues. He was a leading playwright in Kannada language. Besides being a great actor, film director and writer, he is Girish Karnad. You can see the photo. He is an eminent jurist and champion of human rights and freedom expression. This is Soli Sorabji. You can see this picture. Okay. She is a leading nutritionist who advocates eating locally grown foods. It is Rujuta Divekar. She popularized herbal beauty care product internationally by tailoring the remedies in Ayurveda to suit modern needs. Is Shahnaz Hussain. Okay. He is a well-known choreographer who also judges dances reality shows on TV. It is Raymond D'Souza. He co-founded Infosys in 1981, which is today a global IT company. It is Mr. N.R. Narayan Murthy. The answer. She is the first woman banker to become the chairperson of State Bank of India. The answer is Arundhati Bhattacharya. She is a leading filmmaker whose film includes Talwar, Raji, etc. It is Meghna Gulzar. Then the last lesson for the unit test, the joy of reading. Identify these golden classics from their description. The book is about a young boy and his escapades. He lives in a small town along with the Mississippi River with the Aunt Polly, half brother and Sid cousin Mary. He is always getting into trouble, and so he gets frequent spanking from his aunt. He manages to win her over with the wit and charm. It is from the adventure of Tom Sawyer. The Alonso Quisada is obsessed with the legends of knights errant who rush off to kill dragons, rescue princesses, and earn eternal gratitude of the king and the people. He decides to become a knight errant himself and embarks on adventures with his squee Sancho Panza, a dim with village peasant Don Quixote. The Prince Rudolph, the rightful heir of Ruritania, is abducted by his ambitious half-brother on the eve of his coronation so that he cannot attend the ceremony, while the prince is kept imprisoned in a castle. An Englishman on a holiday who bears a strong resemblance to him is made to make his palace at the coronation. The prisoner of Zendas. A little boy grows up in a workhouse run by the cruel Mr. Bumble. He has a miserable childhood, is underfed, ill-treated and overworked. He manages to escape to the street of London, where he meets Fagin and his a band of young pickpockets. In return for food and shelter, he trained in art of picking pockets. Oliver Twist. A young girl, Dorothy, and her pet dog Toto were swept away from their home by a cyclone. They find themselves in the magical land of Oz and have wonderful adventures with Scarecrow, the Tin Woodman, and the Cowardly Lion, the Wizard of Oz. The Orangutan, Atagnan, and his friends Athos, Porthos, and Aramis are part of the French king's royal guard. They were sent on a secret mission to England to recover diamond belonging to Queen Anne of France. It is the three musketeers. So this is all about the chapter. Children, they are the answers of lesson 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, etc. is given. 25 is not needed. Afterwards we will learn. So if you like the video, you can share and subscribe. Thank you.